Welcome to the comprehensive guide on how to use Costco rewards online. Costco is a membership-based warehouse club that offers a wide selection of products and services to its members. One of the benefits of being a Costco member is the ability to earn rewards on your purchases. To start using Costco rewards online, you will need to create an account on the Costco website. This can be done by clicking on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and following the prompts to create a new account. Once you have created your account, you can log in and start exploring the various features and benefits that Costco has to offer. The first step in using Costco rewards online is to link your membership to your online account. This can be done by clicking on the Account Settings button and selecting the membership option. You will then be prompted to enter your membership number and other relevant information. Once your membership is linked to your online account, you can start earning rewards on your purchases. Costco offers a variety of rewards programs, including the Costco Executive Membership, which offers 2% reward on most purchases. You can track your rewards balance by logging into your account and clicking on the Rewards button. To redeem your rewards, you can log into your account and click on the Rewards button. You will then be presented with a variety of options, including the ability to request a rewards certificate or apply your rewards to a purchase. Rewards certificates can be used to make purchases on the Costco website or in store. In addition to earning rewards on your purchases, Costco also offers a variety of other benefits to its members, including discounts on travel and insurance services. You can explore these benefits by logging into your account and clicking on the Services button. To get the most out of your Costco rewards, it is a good idea to regularly review your account activity and rewards balance. This will help you stay on top of your rewards and ensure that you are getting the most value out of your membership. You can also set up notifications to alert you when you have earned rewards or when your rewards balance is low. By following these steps and taking advantage of the various benefits and features that Costco has to offer, you can make the most of your membership and start earning rewards on your purchases. Remember to always log into your account and track your rewards balance to ensure that you are getting the most value out of your membership.